If you've ever struggled to come up with fresh ad concepts or wished you could generate full storyboards in minutes, this video is going to change the way you create ads forever. Today, I'm showing you how to turn simple prompts and a few images into clean, consistent scenes using Higsfield's Popcorn tool. And we'll even build a real example for a clothing brand from scratch. If you don't know me, I'm Sergio from Puff & Pulse Media, and we help e-com brands scale profitably with smart paid media strategies, creative testing, and data-backed ad systems. If you're looking for strategies to improve the content you generate for your brand, this channel helps you level up without burning time or budget. Today, we're diving into Popcorn. One of Higsfield's most powerful features, Popcorn lets you generate shot-by-shot storyboards for your ads. You give it a simple prompt, 1 to 4 reference images, and the number of scenes, and Popcorn turns that into a consistent character wearing the same outfit across all frames. No drifting faces, no weird inconsistencies. It's extremely solid. It's perfect for UGC-style ads, brand story videos, concept testing, and pre-visualization ideas before production. Comment below if there's another tool you'd like me to explore more of. Alright, so today's example is one of the brands we work with, Grand River Clothing. They make premium comfortable jeans with extended and inseam options, perfect for men who want reliable fit right off the rack. Here are a few ads we've created for them.
That's why Grand River Clothing makes jeans designed for real people with stretch, comfort, and fits for big, tall, and every body type in between.
They actually fit, they're not tight, they're not baggy, they're just comfortable right when you take them out of the box.
Regular jeans are either too stiff, too baggy, or just don't fit right. With Grand River Clothing, you get jeans that actually fit your body.
These ads perform well because they feel real and they highlight the production in motion, which is exactly what Popcorn helps us pre-visualize before we go into production, which saves us unnecessary expenses and energy, time, and budget. Let's jump into Popcorn. Inside Higsfield, click Popcorn in the top menu. You'll see two main modes, auto mode and manual mode. In both, you can upload 1 to 4 images as a reference. The more references you add, the more accurate and detailed your storyboard becomes. You can also choose the aspect ratio and the number of results that you want to achieve. Let's start with auto mode. This mode is perfect when you want something fast and simple. You write one prompt, choose how many scenes you want, and Popcorn builds everything else for you. Ideal for the initial phase where ideas are being generated. For example, I added 3 images. Image 1, our main character. Image 2, the Grand River jeans. Image 3, a city for the background. Then we wrote our prompt, a young man in image 1 wearing dark jeans. Image 2, walks through the city. Image 3, casual and confident. Lifestyle ad. We hit generate, and here's the result. You can see how it kept the same character, jeans, and style across every frame. This is perfect for a clean lifestyle sequence or quick concept testing. Now let's move into manual mode. This is where Popcorn becomes a serious creative asset. In manual mode, you get full director control. Every camera angle, every action, the same character and outfit, different scenes, different locations, and you can build as many scenes as you want. You still only get 4 reference images, but that's enough to lock in the face, outfit, environment, and props. We're building a sequence where the character walks through the city, heads toward a pier, and sits down on a wooden dock. We upload the full body image of the model wearing Grand River jeans, plus location and pose references. Scene 1, medium shot of the man walking through the city, wearing Grand River, dark jeans, natural lighting. Scene 2, same man walking towards the pier, jeans in motion. Scene 3, sitting on the dock, legs stretched, showing the fit. We generate everything, and here's what Popcorn gave us. One of the best parts of Popcorn is editing frames without breaking consistency. Let's click edit. Inside the editor, we update the prompt to remove his hand from his pocket. Choose the size, the number of results you want, and the model. There are quite a few, such as seedream, cling, nano banana, etc. We're going to use this one because it has worked very well for us, but you can try the other models. Regenerates and Popcorn updates the pose, but keeps the same character and outfit. You can use this to adjusting lighting, camera angles, pose, background, or mood. It gives you true director level control. Make any changes you want to your narrative until you're satisfied. Now you can export it or click the video option to turn it into a full animated sequence. And here's our final version. This tool goes way beyond lifestyle shots. You can also make your character interact with branded objects like shopping bags, packaging, accessories, unboxing moments, seasonal props. These details make your ads feel more premium and scroll stopping, especially on a limited budget or without influencers. If you want help using these tools or want a team that can turn your raw product photos into high impact, conversion focused ads, that's what we do every day at Profit Pulse Media. We manage Meta, Google, and creative strategy for brands spending $5,000 to $100,000 per month. And you can learn more at profitpulsemedia.co. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.